They got two hypercars. They got the Sabre, and they got my ultimate favorite car in the world.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where we just cover what's going on the car community on YouTube. And if you like this kind of stuff, check out my other videos. It would be pretty dope if you'd smash the subscribe button. Every subscription we get is a step closer to us getting a project car and to us to reach our end of the year goal of 2,000 subs, which I feel is pretty realistic. On today's episode, guys, we're going to be covering a new channel I haven't checked out before. Is the Triple F Connection, Cashman, TJ Hunt, and a few others as well. And also, guys, if you are interested on coming on the channel for a chat about something, whatever's going on with your favorite car YouTubers for half an hour on a Zoom call or something, hit me up on my Instagram at the end of the video. And you know, it'll be just fun to chat to other people that watch these videos and get their thoughts and opinions on some of their favorite car YouTubers as well. So guys, we're going to jump straight into today's video, and as I said, we're going to kick it off with the Triple F Connection. Now, they have recently bought a McLaren SABRE. Now, I know Life Paul has covered this, but I didn't even know these guys actually had a channel. Looks like they went pretty quiet for a while, and then obviously got a new garage. I don't know if it's a group of investors who have the cars or what their backstory is. So if somebody knows the backstory of their channel or who they are, how to get these cars, please let me know in the comments below. But I didn't even know of the McLaren SABRE till this was posted up, and I'm blown away by it. They got two hypercars. They got the SABRE, and they got my ultimate favorite car in the world, a Koenigsegg Regera. It's the one car, if I won the lotto and if I could have any car in the world, it would be the Regera. That would be my number one. But I was very interested to see the SABRE. Wow, what a piece of machinery. So if you haven't seen a SABRE before, like me, I'm just going to give you some stats I just pulled up on it. I think the car is $4 million to buy. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. It is basically a 4-litre V8 twin turbo. It gives out 824 horsepower with 590 foot-pounds of torque, top speed of 218 miles an hour. Now, that is pretty impressive. But for $4 million, well, it is one of 16. You can see why. And McLaren do make some unbelievable cars. But you know, when Drag Times did that video on the 765 LT, where it does, you know, does some crazy speeds for like $400,000. I mean, I know it's one of 16, so it's pretty exclusive. Still, like the 765 LT for the money you're spending, but it'll be mass produced, I know. But it still is an unbelievable car. If you ask me, here's a question for you guys: would you rather take the SABRE or the Koenigsegg Regera? Let me know in the comments below. For me, it'd be Regera all day long, not over any car. As much as I like the SABRE, I'd be Koenigsegg Regera for me. I'm going to be following these guys a lot more closely. Their car collection is insane. I think they have like nearly 6,000 subscribers. That's probably going to explode now because they didn't really post that much. So definitely check out their channel, guys. It might be interesting for you. I am going to follow up and check out more of their channel videos as well as they go along indeed. Next up, guys, is going to be DDE. So DDE's latest video was them, obviously, Mia has gotten her Gallardo wrap taken off, and Damon got the scoop for his 720S to the GTR, and it's a glue-on scoop. I think it cost me like $3,000 for that scoop, and it's glued on. But I would admit it does look really nice on the 720S. It does suit the rest of the car, but the main thing that they've come out with is that they are looking to get an SVJ and they want to spec it. There's two at SR Auto Group in Vancouver, and the question for them to the audience was, what car should they sell in order to get the SVJ, and what spec should they go? Now, as in what car to sell, I mean, like, how much do they need to go towards the SVJ? I think the SVJ is going for, they said, around $800,000, and they're looking for one for around 650 or 600. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. So in my head, you're looking at probably a down payment of 100,000 or something. Again, just a guess what I'm saying. I can't remember what cars they have at this stage to what to give away if they were to sell one. For me, it would be the Ferrari. If they want to sell the Ferrari and use that as the down payment towards the SVJ. But that would just be me. And if I was going for a spec, I always said if I was going to get an SVJ, I'll bring a picture up here. I want the purple with gold wheels. That would be my ultimate spec SVJ, or satin white as Dave did. So yeah, let me know below, guys, what you think of this move by DD. Interesting to hear you think on this, some of the DD fans out there as well. Next up, guys, is going to be Hartnett Media. And Hartnett Media are definitely, them and watching this are the 4K cinematic kings when it comes to shooting car porn, as I like to say. And my God, these fuckers have done it again. I'm blown away by how just great this masterpiece was done by Hartnett Media for the 720S. It's like something like a professional ad for McLaren. If I owned like for example, say Houston and Houston from White Exotics, he's building the hypercar. When he wants to advertise it and make an ad for it, these are the guys who should be going to this Hartnett Media, because this is the kind of quality you're going to get. Here's a very quick clip for you. And when you check out this video, or after my video, definitely go check it out, because it's the best 5 minutes you will spend. There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. I mean, I say the amount of work that goes into these, editing these, and the time that's put into it is insane, and it's well worth it. It's just the way cars should be shot in all their glory, and just the way they come out is just pure car porn. And I love that video. I was glued to it for 5 minutes. It's so worth watching. Just all I can say, guys, is that's the kind of stuff I love watching about cars as well. Apart from I love my rebuilds, 4K cinematic shots like that are just unbelievable. We'll just sit there all day watching them as well. Next up, guys, is going to be Manny Cashman. So Manny Cashman has went to the Peterson Museum in LA. He got invited in to check out, they're currently closed, and to check out what they have there and some of the unbelievable cars that they have there as well. I think it's around half an hour long, and my God, it is a very well worth half an hour clip to watch. If you haven't seen it already, definitely go check it out, because some of the car collections they have, a lot of them, some of them they own, and some of them that have been borrowed. Like Tavarish's Murcielago for Fast and Furious is there. I'm presuming they must pay these people to have the car for a certain amount of time to have it in the museum. I'm not sure. If you've been to the Peterson Museum, let me know in the comments below, because it looks unbelievable. He was invited down to their vault as well, with that only people that are invited can go down and see, not the public can see it. And the car collection is mind-blowing. Like, it's like you'd be a kid in a candy store. Just unbelievable. I mean, there were so many there. If you had to pick one car out of the whole lot, well, I don't even know what it would take. There were so many cars in there. Like the first official Ferrari that was made was there. I think it's called a 125S or something like that. Or I think that'd be worth lots of money. I'd say over 20 million for that car. From what he said, it was a 9-figure sum. Some of the real old Rolls Royces that are there. The first Bugatti as well. Just some crazy stories he was telling about some of the cars. It's just great car history, so it's definitely worth a watch, guys. I mean, for me, the one car that, if I could pick a car from there, I mean, what can you say, like the McLaren F1 in that burnt orange is just, it was for me front and centre. I was drooling looking at it. Such an unbelievable car to look at, and definitely, I mean, if you had the money, that would be a trophy to have in there, you know. Just what a piece of machinery. There's so many cars, and I can't remember all the cars that were in there, but definitely go check out the video, guys. Well worth a watch by Cashman. He's been killing it lately on the videos, which I've been really enjoying. So let me know in the comments below what one you would go for if you have watched the video as well. Last up on the list, guys, is going to be TJ Hunt. Just literally his video that was released around 2 hours ago for me. He swapped out the wheels on he swapped out the wheels that were on his Audi R8 onto his Huracan, and I was quite surprised how well they came out. I mean, it looks I actually think, maybe comment below, guys, if you think this, maybe the wheels look better on the Huracan than maybe on the R8. I'm not too sure. It's hard to tell, but they do look pretty sick. And there's some secret that he hasn't told us that Sabrina was trying to tell us. So I wonder what it is as well. And obviously he got his new house, which is fantastic. He's got 5 acres of land. He's going to be building a big massive garage for himself. That guy is just crushing it, and he deserves every bit of it, because I just love watching his content and the way he modifies his cars, and he's just genuine good quality content, and such a great guy the way he does his videos. He's definitely one of my #1 YouTubers I always watch as well. So love the way he switched over the wheels. Definitely looks, I think he might keep it on the Huracan. It'd be interesting to see if he does. But definitely do let me know, guys, in the comments below what you think of it if you haven't seen the video already. So that is it for today, guys. Again, thanks very much if you watched to the end. Like squad, hit the like button, all the comments below, and please do smash the subscribe button, guys. We are getting bigger every day. You know, even if it's 1 subscription, it makes the world of difference. And hopefully we can grow as a channel together, and, you know, get to the project car and get to the goals that I have for this channel as well. So again, guys, till the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.